Ghana no se yato aba na obi we ne mampani a ofa positions ni nyina on ya appointments ni nyina nti se yeto aba no on NDC MPP lines e wo local level a obi o lose national election also bet me nya DC and assembly position me say we yasem nana this argument is like treating headache with you can say stomach ache pills and they say you wuti ya we ya o say makonom ye funu ya de aduro because winner takes all and your problem at the local level oko assembly a winner takes all no oko unit committee a winner takes all no because there is no NDC MPP. The winner takes all problem is at the national level where we have an overbearing, overpowerful executive president. And 2% will solve the problem now, you solve it at the national level. You can amend the constitution and say, oh, a certain percentage of appointments or mampeni or tia konyaso yebian, it should come from the opposition. And now will solve winner takes all. But you don't go to the local level where any problem to go and create another problem there. In any case, you perceive a solve winner takes all. NPP for the better how to solve winner takes all. More legalize winner takes all. Because mo buy ye, more pamo NDC for more headings. Oh, nana mesho. Oh, more head institutions. No, hold on, nana mesho. More pamo, including security men in Amapamo, casual workers in Amapamo from state institutions. Mapamu biaji position biabo so muwe ya mo se wo yempe winner takes all. Mama move from winner takes all to family takes all. Mama move from winner takes all to friends takes all. Muwe ya mo ba be lecture or winner takes all. Then uti omo so political parties kura no ade no eyemra se ni so mo de omo for but they are already in it. It is my hypocrites yen legalize and yen na yen legalize kronobo. Because stealing is a crime in Ghana. And yet every day people steal in this country. And so if the mere fact say they be illegal, but still people breach the law, and because of that, the logic is that you legalize it, and you legalize it stealing as well. Martin. So just finally, then they say oh, you must time political parties. Why are you bastardizing political parties? I asked communication director for the MPP. Lawyer Yabuabia Samona Sempa on Monday. Say people for Munimu Mapa. Me sure some more dictionary. Political party any partisanship. Sa bro from you no nana epe. NDC yes yetia political party. Are we not a political party ourselves? Multi-party democracy under this fourth republic 1992 constitution. Why will we be against political parties? We are saying that we are against the extreme partisanship of political parties. It doesn't mean that we are against them. So me the standing in account for Nana no matra kunya kasa and sana NDC MPP but Nana no more matu yenfo yenso ye kan de be boa Ghana. Asem se be ye to Ghana for se wo pe NDC MPP party semno ha on mine e wo top ha e de Delta Force Azugu boys e ba ye election mu gidi all that acrimony no wo pe se sanso de ko local government system akoto yes be wo pasumdwe wo pe nkabom wo pe kroye wo pe se nkita hudie between assembly members ene nananom etimi di hini the assembly system etimi tumpon ye nyina ye etimi kan hu bombo ama ye mantam tumpon irrespective of our political parties there, and you go and vote for a big no on the 17th of December referendum we so nana e mo bia anka say yon ko suspend it because we have spent money on it. It is too late to suspend it. I was here to.
Per Sami's submission, that political partisanship necessarily breeds division. That it means that he will support cause that presidential elections should not be based on political party lines. Is that his argument? God Nasar Bediako is asking that.
Nana, just tell Gordon, say, even at the national level, the extreme partisanship is a problem. And we must deal with it. And until another day, for politicians, you always condemn the fact that NDC and MPP are partisanship. Also, we should refine our politics. Now, America, Canada, more of consensus building, less of needless acrimony and partisanship. That is where we must.
Sami Jenfe, a national communication officer. Edema NDC Yamanyuko Sami Ena Ekasa says, well,
Yeah, my brother. Some repeat in terms of say, yes, that analogy about stealing. Talk and to say more or less, that people are asking for stealing to be legalized.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Sure.
Legitimized. Yeah. Okay, my test argument quite well. Now, on the surface, that is superficially, that analogy appears to have some substance. And I say superficially. But we a deeper assessment of what the issue we are dealing with now. We say knowledge be so mechanical and oversimplified and ought not to be entertained in the level, the kind of discussion we are having. Issue now a war. Okay? This thing about political parties, it violated the law. I'm sure that's where the analogy is coming from. On the one violated the law as well as the constitution by sponsoring candidates for district
I would say by interfering.
Well, they are doing it covertly. I think we all agree to that.
Yeah.
I see Dunketia as I'm no account 2010 Congress or so was Sugani. Say NDC for captured about 60% or so of the district assembly we know. Was a proof of the point I'm making. Said they do it covertly. Anything a man for a say, if we see say by amend article 55(3), then you are seeking to legitimize it, isn't it? To bring it back into the fund benefit law. I think that's where I'm stealing assembly. I want to get that right.
Yeah, because the logic is that Sebibi illegal na obi e busamra no swa. You go for enforcement as remedy. Fantastic. You don't go for legalization.
Fantastic.
So as a political parties, we are not supposed to interfere in local government elections, and we are doing it. Let the law be enforced. Yes, sanction regime. But it is no justification to say that because some of us are breaching it, then it should be legalized. Because maybe the CPP and the other smaller parties are not breaching it.
I wanted this clarity as the basis for that argument. Said then for bringing in the analogy, and I think you've given me that clarity. Winning me here of this particular problem is that the political structure, there is a democratic deficit or a governance gap. That's the way I see it. What is that democratic deficit now and the governance gap now? And he say we appear to be comfortable with multi-partism and political parties existing by law and enabled say won't take a part with national politics. So we call parliament we call presidency parties the same there. We are okay with that. In spite of some Kenya say partisan, corruption, we appear to be comfortable. Say in terms of law, they are enable and power political parties to run at the very top where the real power is in terms of executive power. What you are saying? Now you are another law down there. The only thing, remember this party see won't go. Me see a question of a governance gap and a democratic deficit. My view is as hard two challenges here cannot be remedied by what you call law enforcement. It's in a year done. Anything I say don't tell to me public space openly. No claiming say 60% or so you won't go for. It amounted to obvious violation of the law, telling people that look, and must law yes and Susana ya achieve.
Not very sure whether they are still doing Ketia crime.
Oh, yeah, it's documented. I'll come to it.
Okay.
I'll come to it. He said so.
The interpretation you're putting on it, I think, is a problem. Because MPP members also contest for assembly elections.
They are all guilty of that.
NDC contest.
I'm bringing that Sedun Ketia to the
forward. The clarification I'm giving is after the contest, though non-partisan, we can count and say NDC members who stood on their own merit and won. 500 or 600, but to interpret it as meaning strictly say it means it was a party who sponsored all those people who constituted the 60%. I think maybe a bit too
interpretation of convenience by Sami.
I'm bringing all the sides.
Yeah. So you've done your interpretation. That's the one that suits your case. That's the point I'm making. It's an interpretation of convenience. It suits you to use that to rationalize what Sedun Ketia said. But what you can't run away from that, in substance, we all know the parties are doing what we say the law doesn't enable them. And they are violating the law.
I agree. That's fact. That's true. That's true.
This time, NDC, every person they perceive to be NDC and contest assembly, they've given the person 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey, where are we going to get that money from?
Anyway,
don't do that, Sampai. 1,000 cedis per 7,000. Nana, let me
the problematic nature of this phenomenon, this what I see as a governance gap, a democratic deficit, and they are lending itself for strict law enforcement. So what you do is to seek a constitutional remedy, and then the amendment process is in the other board. You seek to do constitutional re-engineering, institutional restructuring within the constitution. If you decide to use the police method, look, there will be absolute chaos.
Oh, not police.
No, by
position of fines, punishment,
law enforcement.
Yes.